Letter G. Oh, ang layo na naman ba? Okay, go. Letter G. If it's letter G from red to blue, okay, that's incorrect. Let's erase that. Where's your erasure? This one. So, letter G, this is not the right letter G. Okay. If it's letter G, small letter from red, write it. Do it. No. From red to blue. The blue one is here, not there. Okay, let's do it. Ba. The right way on how to write letters. Small letter G is like this. From blue down, from red down to blue, from red down to blue, down to red. That's it. Oh, that's the right small letter G. Okay. No. Plaga. What's the missing letter? A. A. Oh, write the letter A first before letter T. Very good. From red to blue. Okay, and then small letter A. Ba. Small letter A from red to blue. Okay. Very good. Good job. Last.
One more.
Yep. You're doing a good job, Matt, okay? So big letter A, good job. Blue to blue. Very good. Small letter I from red to blue. Good job. Letter D. Small letter D from red. Huwag malayo masyado. Okay. Letter E. To red, down to blue. Very good. Letter N. You're getting faster, Matt. You're doing a good job. Okay, letter M. Big letter M. Oh, no. Letter M. Starts from, yan. Right upper corner. Letter M. Very good. Letter A. If it's small letter A. Okay. Letter T. Malapit lang dapat. Letter T. Good job. Another letter T. Okay. Letter H. Small letter H. From blue, red to blue. Letter E. Huwag masyadong malayo. Ba? If it's small letter E, di ba dapat red to blue? Let's do it again.
Okay.
Alright. From red to blue. Down to blue. Sumobra, but it's okay. W, small letter W. From red. Huwag masyadong malayo. Okay. S. Letter S. Big letter S from blue to blue. Good job. Letter P. Big letter P. From blue to red. Letter L. Huwag masyadong malayo. Letter A. Small letter A. From red. Red. Right. G. From red. Red. Yan. There. Beba. If it's letter G again. From red. Down to blue. Pabutin mo ng blue. Okay. Let me help you. Let me help you back.
I'm almost there.
Yeah, almost there. If it's small letter G ba, from red to blue. To blue. There. Letter A. Small letter A. There you go. Letter T. But letter T. That's not the right way in writing letter T. No.
I know to write number.
Although it's written in the correct letter, but it was written in a wrong way. So, if it's small letter T from blue, down to blue, okay, red. Another small letter A. Another small letter A. Let's do it again. That's not the correct letter. Okay. From red to blue. Good job. Oh, see? See? So, this is the handwritten of Matthew Aiden Plagata as early as grade 1 tutor. So, hindi kasi siya pwedeng mag-cellphone na hindi nakapagsulat ng kanyang pangalan sa buong isang papel. So, so far so good.